Hey Ian, what you doing?
Finding nature for the City Nature Challenge.
The what?
The City Nature Challenge. It's a global nature challenge with over 500 cities taking part around the world, including Taranaki.
Nature? Where?
Here. 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 And here.
Well, what kind of nature?
Everything living, including salty nature, hungry nature,
Even naughty nature? Is this nature?
no, but this is nature. Sexy pavement nature.
Nature.
Taking part in the City Nature Challenge is easy. Just take photos of living things anywhere in Taranaki between the 26th and the 29th of April and upload to iNaturalist using the app or the website. The more species, the better.
Go nuts for nature. You might be astounded just how much you'll discover.